Uh-oh, it looks like we're out of granola. That's okay, we'll make some more. So this is a pretty simple kind of granola, which takes care of itself, but one of the things I really like is, you know how with oatmeal cookies, the raisins around the edge have this more kind of firm, almost caramel quality to them. The sugars in them kind of change a little bit. But anyway, so just what I discovered, I can achieve that by putting down a thin layer of oats on the tray, just to keep the raisins from sticking. And just evenly spreading out some raisins on that layer, and then piling up the rest of the oats I'm gonna roast over top of it. And somehow that just, it holds enough of the moisture in. They just don't, you know, like turn into little pebbles. And the sugar, they change and caramelize. So I'm gonna chop some apricot and add it to this before I do the berry. Chopping them up into little pieces about 4 inches wide, and then scattering a thin layer across the bed of oats.
Go ahead
and then just go ahead and finish off the process. Just like so. And here's a finicky little thing, but it makes such a difference to the granola. See, I like to have my almonds crushed, 'cause when they roast, they come up so much nicer. See, I gotta break the skin so they won't blanch on you somewhere later.
Skins tend to kind of come off the...
And moving right along to the very soft walnuts. These babies, that they are a piece of cake. And now a little sunshine with sunflower seeds. Ratio-wise, it's almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds. And now the pumpkin seeds, though not too many, even though they're really good for you. So I like to roast them at 212, which is boiling. Well, I just set it, I leave it, I get my day underway. For maybe 1 3/4, but 2 hours would be okay. Well, more than okay.
That's really the whole process, since you can walk off and just leave it to do what it's going to do. It takes very little time.
Crushing the almonds might be the only time-consuming part. And sometime later,
There she is.
There it is. I let it cool and cook a little more before it goes into its little jar. I need my magic pack. I think those raisins are perfect. Just cool off a little bit before they go in the jar. I used to sprinkle salt on the nuts and seeds, but it's healthier without it. Tastes so good. Here, you gotta taste one of these. Even the really fine, floury part of the ground up nuts ends up being a really terrific component in the granola. Please don't tell me stop playing my food. And now on just a little parallel note, it's time to get that in there. I use a card to make a paper airplane funnel. Scoop and hold like so. this up every week, and we all gobble it down for breakfast. In fact, I think I'll just make myself a bowl right now with some fresh fruit from up here in the garden.
And of course, a couple of nice little fresh strawberries would be lovely. And let's get the one that's hiding down in there. What I do is I just pour boiling water over my granola. By the time I finish making my coffee. Perfect. It's the way that I most prefer to start my day. Well, give it a try. See what you think. Nuts are nice and crisp, even after having boiling water dumped on them. Like I said before, the raisins, they're delightful. They're like the ones out of oatmeal cookies. So recap, rolled oats, almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, raisins, and apricots. And sometimes I throw in other types of seeds. I've even used sesame seeds in there. And then roast it at 212 degrees for, I think, 2 hours is a good time frame. Nice thing to consider is that having roasting at a lower temperature, you retain more of the food value.
Enjoy, that's the kind of jar I like. Did I just embarrass myself?